top of the table.
Where did what's his name go? Oh, he got...
No, okay, seriously. The character, and that is the key.
Are you gonna crawl for us? Come on.
Come on. Oh, she just wants
You're
to
trying. Come on.
Come here. Come here. Come get Duncan's forbidden thing. Oh, she spit on the floor and she's interested.
Thank you.
All right. Here Come on, here it is. Come get it. You're getting tired. Papa, help me here. I'm trying too hard.
Now, of course, the competition is entering its final stages. They tend to be
I'm surprised she's got this much oomph left.
and I realize that now more than
Come
ever.
on.
And
You're okay. Yeah, you're just getting a little bit tired. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay.
so far tonight, of course, they have the
Oh,
and
yes.
a little bit later on, they want your vote as well to make sure you get to it and be back on the floor. Very
Oh, now Duncan says, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. That's my toy Daddy brought me from Tennessee.
Oh, she's so close. So close. Roy, you call her.
Come on, come over here.
Here, hold your hands out. Go see Papa. Go see Papa.
Very sensual.
See Papa.
I'm going to show Joanna what it's really like to dance at the Latin level.
Did you put it on?
This one is the top cleaning model. And with
Come
this
get
one, you can wash
Duncan.
and dry a load.
Come get
You're not going to turn loose of those stockings.
She
I
likes
think
those.
intelligent skincare technologies would be right for you.
I thought maybe curing those would give her a feel of,
That would be good.
oh good, go get Duncan's stuff.
Take 20% off Kenmore appliances and 10% off all other brands, including LG, and get an extra 5% off with your search card.
So, but there's just so much to move around.
I know. Oh, she's just, I mean, that's further she's gotten. Here's Mandy. Here's a